Hello and welcome to the Career Center. My name is Katie Bowling and I'm a career advisor within the Center for Career Exploration and Success. Here you can meet with your career advisor, participate in mock interviews and informative events, and even connect with employers who are excited to recruit you. Many more resources are available on our website at www.miamioh.edu/careers. The Career Center is dedicated to guiding undergraduate and graduate students in exploring career paths and opportunities. We serve all students and encourage students begin to engage with our office in their first year at Miami and to stay engaged with us until they graduate. This center empowers undergraduate and graduate students to engage in the career exploration and experiential learning to optimize their professional and personal potential through connections with employers and the Miami career community. This engagement also deepens self-knowledge, enabling students to choose meaningful career paths and excel in a diverse global society. CCES strives to be a premier career center nationally, whereby students increasingly land their A job or educational placement. We host events, networking opportunities, career fairs, and advising appointments to help students compete for highly competitive careers and to situate them to become leaders and innovators within their chosen industry. The Career Center offers a wide range of resources and services to help students explore, prepare, and get connected. To explore career paths, students can receive individualized career coaching, complete career assessments, and learn about graduate school options and our career clusters. The Career Center also offers 2 courses to help students engage with and explore careers. In addition, the Career Center helps prepare students for their future by offering assistance with job and internship searches, resumes and CVs, cover letters, professional networking, and interviewing through one-on-one career advising and career events. Finally, students can get connected with their future careers by participating in job shadows, internships, networking, and career treks offered through the Career Center. We want you to think about your career planning early and often, which is why we created the Success Starts with a Plan initiative. Complete 3 specified tasks during your first and second year to launch a successful career journey. These tasks include creating a resume, completing your handshake profile, attending Career Center events, and participating in interview activities and resources. Another initiative is the Career Cluster Model. Career clusters are groupings of common occupations that fall within broad industry sectors. Career clusters were designed because a major does not always lead directly to a career, but instead majors can be paired with meaningful experiences in several areas to gain the transferable skills and knowledge necessary for a variety of career paths. Career clusters allow students to customize their career paths by narrowing down their professional interests while they explore similar careers with broad career categories. By choosing 1 or more career clusters, students will receive targeted information about events, jobs, internships, and employers related to their interests. Visit miamioh.edu/career-clusters for more information. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to reach out to the Career Center with questions. You can visit our webpage or call our office at 513-529-3831 for more information. We look forward to seeing you in our office located in 0045 in the Student Armstrong Center.